My name is Emma.
Hello everybody, my name is Amanda.
And we are opening some surprise eggs today that me and my sister made. We made 5 surprise eggs. Then we are going to get started, so let's get started. Okay, so first one was the rainbow color one.
Mine brown.
And then let's start opening them.
Okay, now I see purple.
It's
a pineapple.
Oh my goodness. Wait, mine's hard to open. That's right. There we go. So mine's a pineapple, a little pineapple eraser. And Milo got a muffin. Milo got a muffin. Okay. Alright, now we're going to start on the next one. Okay, next one.
I got a brown one.
A brown one again. Milo got a brown one again. A different one. Alright, let's opening. I
Hey,
got a
what
Barbie
you got?
purse.
Wait, what color you got?
Oh, mine's is like a colorful one, so. And I got a black purse.
And I'm not opening mine yet. I got a pair. Okay.
I got a turkey. A cute little turkey. Okay. Now the next one. I got this color.
Wait, I got this purple and
colorish. So let's get started. Oh, mine looks like a strawberry. It is a strawberry. Yay, I love strawberries. Let's go see. I have to take out
a lot
the
of
Shopkins. I know. Oh, and then I got a strawberry.
And now we are going to open it. My color is
The second
blue.